Start off with an eye primer. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Yeah, and I finally learned how to use it. Apparently less is definitely more. So I'm going to be using just a tiny bit of that on my eyelid. Next, use your Urban Decay Naked palette. The eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is Hustle. That one right there. I'm going to apply that eyeshadow color right on my lid. So we get kind of like a nice dark, but not too dark, smoky, muted gray color. Going back to the palette, I'm going to use Sidecar eyeshadow. And to get like a highlighted effect in the center of the lid, I'm going to apply that color. And only in the center, so you'll see the dark, light, and then dark. Just to add a little edge to the look. I'm going to take the Naked eyeshadow, which is basically like a really matte light beige. I'm using that in a blending brush and blending out those eyeshadows in my crease. I'm using just a teeny tiny bit of that Sidecar shadow, and I'm going to pop a little bit of that in my crease, my brow bone crease area. This is just a gold color, and the name of the pencil is Baked. You can use any gold eyeliner that you have, and that's going in my inner waterline. And I'm also going to be applying that on my lower lash line as a pencil base, because I'm going to be putting eyeshadows down there. Next, I'm using an OCC pigment. The color is Chlorophyll, and I'm applying this color on the bottom lash line quite generously too, because I really like this color and I really want it to stand out. And I'm using an eyeliner brush or a brow brush. I then took Half Baked eyeshadow from the palette, or any copper gold eyeshadow that you have, and I took a loose blending brush and applied that color on the inner tear duct area. I then lined my eyes with a black liquid liner. This is the Ultra Liner by Maybelline. I'm now using the YSL Volume Effect Mascara. So as for the lips for this look, I wanted something that was going to be kind of like peach and pink at the same time. So I'm going to be doing a little chemistry here. First, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. This is Cork by MAC. And this is basically just going to make sure that those bold colors that I'm using don't look too unnatural compared to my skin tone. So you won't need very much. Next, I'm using Impassioned Lipstick by MAC. It's a really pretty bright coral pink. It looks electric on camera. I'm all over this lipstick this season. I then used the OCC Lip Tart in Cha Cha, and I applied that on the center of my lips. You don't need a lot, very little product with the lip tars. They're not as glossy as you would probably imagine, so you kind of want to use it sparingly. I need gloss in my life, so I'm going to add a little bit of gloss on top. for shine. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the completed look. Thank you for watching.